You don't need a 700 FICO score in order to get business funding, and here's why. What's good, everybody? It's Vaughn, and you know this is where you get that knowledge that you don't get in college. So go ahead and scroll into the description, click the link next to WeBull, and collect your 12 free stocks. Right now, a lot of small business owners are going through a rough patch. We just had a pandemic, and that took its toll on the economy. And because of that, some small business owners' credit score plummeted, but they still need financing in order to fund their business. And even with everything that's been going on, they've still managed to generate some revenue every single month. And if you're one of those individuals, this message is for you.
Bro, let's get straight to it. On my mama, we lit.
Today, I'll be talking about a financial institution that has the solution to your problem. If you need funding, then you're in the right place because they have products that range from $10,000 all the way up to $5 million.
Dad, why didn't you give me 20 bucks?
I don't have it. Quit asking.
Hey, Alexa, what is Derek Litt's net worth?
From wikiradio.com. As of now, Derek Litt's estimated net worth stands at around $5 million.
$5
You can take
million?
another answer. Just say, Alexa,
$5
yes.
million and it won't give me only just 20 bucks? That's
Joseph!
so cheap!
That is not right. I don't have $5 million. I don't even think I got $5.
And you can get access to this capital without a hard pull. Yes, there will be a soft pull to your personal Experian credit report. However, there's no minimum FICO score required for these products. Oh, silly me, I almost forgot. The name of the institution is ROK Financial. They have been doing a fantastic job of helping the small guy obtain business funding so that they can keep their business afloat. ROK Financial provides revenue-based business funding. So in order to qualify, you would need to be in business for at least 6 months, and your business also needs to generate a minimum of $5,000 per month.
Hey! Come on, man! That's too easy!
Here's a few of the products that ROK Financial has to provide. Equipment financing. The top industries are construction, manufacturing, trucking trailers, furniture finishing equipment, and medical. The unique benefits are 1 to 5 year terms, variable rates starting at 8%, monthly payments available, fully amortized in year of purchase. In order to qualify, there's no minimum time in business, no minimum revenue, and you need to have a FICO score of at least 580. Working capital loan. The top industries are construction, manufacturing, transportation, e-commerce, and medical. The unique benefits are 24 to 48 hour funding. Bad credit is okay. Liens and judgments are okay. There's no minimum FICO score. In order to qualify, you have to be in business for at least 6 months, have a gross annual revenue of at least $120,000, and there's no minimum FICO score required. Accounts receivable financing, and the top industries are construction, manufacturing, trucking, and medical. The unique benefits of this product is that it has the lowest cost, longer terms, larger loan amounts, and it could be a revolving line of credit. Now for the qualifications. An aging accounts receivable report is required. You would need to produce at least $500,000 of annual revenue, and you would need a FICO score of 600 or higher. Line of credit. The top industries are construction, manufacturing, wholesale distribution, e-commerce, and medical. Unique benefits: 6, 12, and 18-month terms available. Weekly or monthly payments, same-day funding up to $200,000. And it's a true revolving line, which means let's say you get approved for $100,000 and you spend $50,000 and you pay that $50,000 back before the term has expired, you now have access to that full $100,000 again. In order to qualify, you would need to be in business for at least 6 months, have a gross annual revenue of at least $120,000, and have a FICO score of at least 600. Fix and flip loans. The top industries are construction and real estate. The unique benefits are that you have rates starting at 8.99%. They provide funding for up to 80 to 100% of the purchase price of the property and 100% of the rehab costs. In order to qualify, you need at least a 640 FICO score. Term loans. The top industries are construction, manufacturing, auto repair, technology, and e-commerce. The unique benefits are 1 to 4 year terms, bi-weekly or monthly payments, interest rates starting at 7.99% APR, and there's no prepayment penalty. In order to qualify, you need to be in business for at least 2 years, have no bank liens or foreclosures in the last 3 years, and have a minimum FICO score of at least 660. SBA loan, and the top industries are professional services, manufacturing, auto repair, e-commerce, and medical. Some of the unique benefits of this product is that it can be used to refinance existing business debt. There's a 2 to 4 week funding process. It's government-backed funds, and there's a 10-year term. So in order to qualify for this product, you need to be in business for 3 years, produce a gross annual revenue of at least $120,000, and you'll need to have a FICO score of at least 675. Real estate, all industries. The unique benefits are large funding amounts, low rates, and traditional APR. In order to qualify, you'll need to be in business for at least 6 months, generate an annual gross revenue of at least $120,000, and you'll need to own real estate. These are just a few of the products that they have to offer. There's also several more. And I know that some of the products had a minimum FICO requirement, and that's based off of the soft pull. But don't let that scare you away, because if you scroll down into the description below and you click that link and fill out the information, there'll be a dedicated advisor reaching out to you to answer any and every question that you have. And they will guide you through the process, allowing you to understand exactly what you're getting yourself into. They'll be able to help you pick the product that best suits your situation. So there's no hard pull, and you get a dedicated advisor that's going to guide you through the process and help you choose the right product. What's there to lose?
That's a great idea. I'm with that.
So go ahead and scroll into the description and click that link before you blink and answer a few questions so that we can get you connected with your dedicated advisor and we can get the ball rolling. Because before you know it, your business will be fully funded, you'll get over this junction, and you'll be able to function. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so that you're notified every time I make a new post. Until next time.